Babe, I'm going out to do a backpack review. I'll be right back. What the f? What's up guys, this is George. On this channel, we do backpacks, hunting, fishing, and tech reviews. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and please hit that thumbs up button if you're watching. This is the Timbuk2 Parkside laptop backpack. Let's talk about who this backpack is for. I would definitely say this is a commuting pack. Somebody that's going into the office every day. This is a perfect bag. Not a lot of flair, just simple and function. Let's run down the specs on this bag. This is a 25-liter pack. It actually weighs at a super light 1.6 pounds. It can hold up to a 15-inch laptop, and it's 18 inches high, 7 inches in depth, and it's 11 inches wide. Timbuk2 offers a lifetime warranty with all of their packs, and I really like that. I've been a fan of Timbuk2 for a long time. They're out of San Francisco, and I always like to support USA brands. Now let's run down this backpack from the bottom to the top like we usually do. On the front of the bag, they include this little strap where you can put your bike light. Now, on this bag, they actually offer you 2 quick access pockets in the front. Let's look at the first one. Right here on the bottom, you got a quick access pocket where you can just stick some stuff. I threw in my keys and my Beats Power 3s. Now, this pocket is actually it's a pretty good size. You can fit a lot of different items in there if you wanted to. On the top right here, they've included some minimal branding. It just says Timbuk2, which I don't mind at all. I think it looks pretty cool. You got a Napoleon pocket for your second access pocket where you can just throw in some items. I threw in my work phone, but you can see my whole hand fits in there. It's a pretty good size pocket. Now Timbuk2 only offers you 1 water bottle pocket on this backpack, and I really wish it was 2. I like to have the symmetrical look, plus I like to put my umbrella on the other side. The 1 water bottle pocket that they give you is a decent size. I got my 27-ounce clean canteen in here, which fits really well. All the zippers on this bag are YKK, and they also have an included lanyard. Let's talk about the shoulder straps. Actually, they're kind of stiff, and they feel really good. They are vented with some mesh, and they're padded really well. On one shoulder strap, Timbuk2 includes some minimal branding. Again, I don't mind so much the minimal branding. On the other shoulder strap, they got this odd bottle opener. I don't know who's popping bottles at work, but between you and me, I don't think your boss is gonna like that. On the backpack straps, Timbuk2 does include some strap keepers, so it keeps your backpack straps from flopping around. I know I hate that, and you probably hate that too, so I'm glad they included that feature. Now on the back, you do have a mesh back panel where they've padded it and just covered it with this regular mesh. It's not the best venting system I've seen on a backpack, but definitely not the worst. On the top, you do have a grab handle, and it's just some regular nylon webbing. It's about 1 inch wide, and it's just sewn into the backpack. Now let's go into the main admin section. In this main admin section, you got a lot of space for some different items. I actually got my Peak Designs organizer right here. If you want me to do a review on this, let me know. There's already a lot of reviews online, so I don't know if I want to add to the whole YouTube Peak Design thing, but if you do, throw it up in the comments and I'll do a review on this bag. Down here in the bottom, you do have a lot of space, so you can definitely throw some headphones, some larger headphones. I can see that. Up here, you have some more organizational slots where I've thrown a Write in the Rain notebook, a highlighter, a Sharpie, and a pen. And then you do have a spot back here where you could throw maybe a tablet. It's large enough for that. Now let's go to the main section of this pack. I didn't mention it before, but this pack is a panel style bag, and it's like a half clamshell in each section. Inside this main compartment, you're able to fit up to a 15-inch laptop, and I threw my huge Dell laptop in here. This thing is a pretty old laptop. It suits me well. You can see that this will take a larger laptop. Down here at the bottom, you have some additional space where you can throw maybe some clothes for a day trip or something like that. I just threw my little EDC organizer pouch where I keep my first aid kit and some wet wipes. Overall, I really like this pack. It's got clean, simple functionality. I would say this Parkside backpack would be great for a person commuting or going into the office every day. Man, thanks for watching George Define. I'll see y'all in the next one, guys. Peace.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so you never miss out on any of my adventures or reviews. See you next time. Peace.